Good morning, friends. Today it is our first practical. This is our logic gate. Okay. In your theoretical part, we have be completed the all about the logic gates and its truth table symbol as well as logic ICs. We know in a logic gate there are totally 14 pin of the IC, and in that pin number 7 connecting to ground potential and pin number 14 connecting to the plus VCC of the power supply. Okay. Now the theoretical part is over. Now we can be taken a practical part. In that the practical part is very important for the logic gate. Then we can be using the digital trainer kit. This kit, this kit is called as the digital trainer kit. Here, there are totally IC sockets are given. Totally 5 sockets are given. That is your 40 pin IC socket. That's your 20 pin IC socket. It's also 20 pin socket, 20 pin socket, and 20 pin socket. Okay. Now we can be performing the logic gate operation at that time. These we can be using these 4 socket 20 pin IC socket, and here there are providing the ground and plus 5 volt power supply, and here is called as the digital inputs. Means all about the digital input we can be providing through these digital inputs. Totally 10 digital inputs are given, and here we can be watching the what is the your digital output. Here the your digital output total 10 digital output signals are showing, and here the your power supply turn on and off switch. That's your 7 segment displays to 7 segment displays. Here the your pulsar unit, it can be generating the plus pulse, positive edge trigger and negative edge trigger. Here is your logic probe, and here there are generating the frequencies. Okay, here we can be generating the clock frequencies. Okay. Now the first practical, first logic gate. Here there are the IC number are given. That's your IC. The IC number is your 7408. Okay, are you getting the IC number? Are you watching the IC number 7408? Okay, and here is the notch, and behind this notch there are given the one of the dot. This dot means the pin number 1. Means it's your pin number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Okay, totally 40 pin IC. Now we can be placing this IC to this IC socket. This cut portion, this half circle in a upward direction. Okay. Now, and here the notch are given. Now notch that can be placing or pressing the downward direction. Okay, downward direction. Okay. Now that IC, it can be a locked position. Okay, it's your pin number 7 connecting to the ground potential. Then this pin is the pin number 8 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. 14 it can be connecting to the plus VCC of the power supply. Okay, we know the 7402 is your NOR gate IC. NOR gate IC. Okay, and 7408 is your AND gate IC. Here we can be placing your AND gate IC. In the AND gate there are the input we can be providing pin number 1 and 2. Pin number 1 and 2 connecting to the input. Then pin number 3 is their output. Pin number 3 connecting to this. Okay. तीनला आपण output बघणार आहे. Now we can be turn on the power supply. Power supply is turned on. Here is the LED is glowing. And first condition of the AND gate. AND gate first condition. If both inputs are 0 0, both input are 0 0, at that time output also 0. Second condition, if one input is 0 and another is 1, means 0 1, at that time output becomes the 0. Third condition, if one input is 1 and another is 0 1 0, at that time the output becomes the 0. And fourth condition, both inputs are 1 1, at that time the output becomes the active high. Output is the 1. Okay, that can be seen in this place. That's your output. Output becomes the